Exigo Portal Level 1. The Exigo Portal is the client's connection to the ticket system, sandbox management, invoice management, and more. The basic features of the portal will be covered in this video. You can access the portal from any web browser by going to portal.exigo.com. The credentials required to enter this secure site are the same as your user account for exigo.com. After you have successfully logged in, the following landing page will be displayed. This is the dashboard. From this page, the following things are presented. News and updates. This section displays news, updates, issues, and issue fixes from the Exigo support team. Upcoming maintenance is also displayed here. Key tickets for review are displayed on the right side of this page in 4 subsections. Each subsection corresponds to a ticket status. The ticket statuses listed will alert you to information needed from the Exigo team and also list tickets in a work completed, resolved status. Please note that it is a best practice to review this dashboard at least once per day to keep up to date on your tickets as well as any news that may be added by Exigo. How to view tickets. Tickets are viewable by clicking on the second tab entitled Tickets. You may sort by ticket ID, subject, status, priority, category, type, or last activity. To view the details of a specific ticket, simply click on the ticket and the details will be populated below. Each ticket is an audit trail of one specific requirement or issue. When requesting that a ticket be closed, please remember to rate the work completed on the ticket. Each person who has made an update to the ticket will be listed with the ability to rank with 5 stars. This is important feedback to Exigo, and these ratings affect the final pay of Exigo employees. Each person who has updated the ticket has most likely played different roles in the processing of the ticket, so please remember to rank the individual based on their specific contribution. How to open a new ticket. To create a new ticket, click on the Create Ticket button shown here. If there are tickets in your queue that require information from Exigo, a window will be displayed. If you do not wish to review the tickets at that time, you may click the Skip button that will display at the bottom of the screen. After clicking Skip or addressing the tickets, the following blank ticket will also be displayed. The following fields should be completed. Your name. This field should contain your name and/or the names of key stakeholders. Your email. This field should contain the email addresses of the stakeholders who should receive email updates through the processing of this ticket. And of course, your phone number. This field should contain the main phone numbers to call in the event an Exigo employee needs to make contact regarding this ticket. This becomes especially important in urgent tickets. Type. Select the appropriate type of ticket from the drop-down menu provided. Don't worry, if you accidentally choose the wrong type, it will be updated by Exigo employees when the ticket is routed for work. Reference ticket. This field may contain a previous ticket number that may be associated with this ticket. For example, if you have recently had custom work completed through another ticket and are now seeing issues, this field should contain the ticket number of the original ticket. This may also be included in the body of the ticket. Subject. This field should contain a short description of the requirement or issue. For example, if the requirement issue relates to a promotion, you may type change to BOGO in the subject line with additional details in the body of the ticket. The ticket body. The body of the ticket should include as much detail as possible. If you are creating a ticket for a new requirement, please be sure to include all specifics of that requirement. Please remember that assumptions should not be made. It will save you time and money to outline specifically what you expect. If you are creating a ticket to report an issue, please give the following information. What behavior occurred that was unexpected or incorrect? What steps taken that created the issue? IDs where the issue occurred, customer ID, order ID, item ID, etc. Without specifics, your ticket cannot be worked. Also, remember that you can attach screenshots to the ticket. These are often extremely helpful to the developers. The Services tab. This tab shows information such as the volume push process. The volume push pulls information from orders into volume buckets into the commission engine. If you are experiencing issues with volumes showing incorrectly on the customer record, You may look here to see if any of the volume push processes have errored or have been skipped. This information may then be shared via a ticket with Exigo if the problem persists. The Resources tab is a library of information on the Exigo system and related processes. The Sandboxes tab is used to manage your sandboxes. Exigo employees do not generally start or stop a sandbox without your written permission. From this tab, you may stop, refresh, or start any of your sandboxes. Please note that if you stop or refresh a sandbox, all information in that sandbox will be lost. Sandboxes use the backup from previous night of production when starting or refreshing. Please manage these appropriately, as sandboxes incur an hourly charge. If you are utilizing the text messages for autoresponders and/or broadcast, the charges related to those text messages are listed under the SMS account tab. The Extended Database tab lists all extended databases for your company. You have the ability to create and manage these extended DBs right from this tab. Please ask for assistance before making any changes if you are uncertain on how to proceed. The Activity tab shows time billed to you broken down by individual Exigo team members. This tab allows sorting by the week. The API tab shows a dashboard for all API calls within a specific time frame. This is a quick visual of where the most processing power is being utilized. And the Payments tab. The Payments tab is the most useful for your accounts payable department. From this tab, you'll be able to see all of your invoices and have the ability to make a payment. Invoices are due on the bill date listed. Invoices for custom work are created each Monday, and invoices past due at 10 days after bill date. Your account will automatically go into on-hold status as 15 days after the bill date. On-hold accounts do not have access to the ticket system. Please ensure your accounts payable department has access to this tab and periodically reviews and manages the invoices. For a more in-depth overview on this subject, check out the corresponding training document in the details section below.